Codesignal, Arcade, Databases, Suspect Investigation 2. Hello everyone, my name is Joshua and I'll be solving Suspect Investigation 2. Let's begin. So, as previously stated in the other problem, feel free to check in my playlist. But the previous problem was that there was a robber. We have a bunch of suspects with these parameters or values that we have for each of them. Yeah, and then we have this information that the robber is not taller. Hold for a second. The robber is taller than 170 centimeters, and they have this certain pattern to their name. The first name starts with the letter B, and their name has GRE, one letter that we don't know what it is, then N. Since we cannot let the suspects go, since they can't possibly be guilty, you need to create a list of the people who can be freed. To create that list of people who can be freed, all we want is their ID, name, and surname, and we want want this list in ascending order. So let's begin. So let me just go ahead right here. So first we want to select the values that we really care about, which is the ID, the name, and the surname from the suspect table. Now we want to filter this. Now, how do we filter this, you might be asking? Let's see. So we know that all the suspects have these characteristics. They're taller than 170 centimeters, and they follow this certain pattern. So with that case, we just create people that we can release who are not suspects by using the filters in the negative aspect. In other words, the opposite. So I used the where. The where is a filter that we could characterize these people can be freed. And let's see here, we want to free those who are height is less than or equal to 170, and because that's just one aspect we could free anybody by. Another one is if their first name, just name, is, and now the like is to match like a certain regular expression, or in other words, a pattern in the string. And the pattern in the string that is that we don't want to match is with B, and then percent. Percent means one or more any characters. In this case, I do name, not like. And then I could do or surname. Now we want to deal with the last name, not like. Now this pattern, GRE question mark. Oh, not a question mark. Excuse me. GRE underscore N. And in this case, underscore represents that this one character can be anything. Oh, and I forgot, I have to do order by ID. Let me see. Ascending order. So I could just leave it as it is. I'm going to run my tests. Okay, it passes. Now if I hit submit. Okay, that's great. I'm glad it passed. Alright guys, I hope this makes sense. This is similar to the last problem. If you want to know more about what where is or not, or the like pattern and how this regex pattern works, I kind of gave a quick explanation before. In summary, it's that percent means that it could be matching one or more characters of any kind, and in this pattern we specified that as long as it starts with B, that's what we are not searching for. Okay, and yeah, basically that's it. I hope you guys like my content. Please like and subscribe, and if you do, again, Inspector Clouseau is still searching for a person that will be his detective and trainee. If you solve this 100% correct and like and subscribe, he'll give you the chance to help him with his next investigation to find the Pink Panther. Just kidding. See you guys.